We took a visit to Donegal, where the scenery is beautiful, and right in the middle is Donegal Yarns. We began first of all upstairs with Nora, showing us how all the colours are chosen and how she breaks it down to its constituent parts. Then she picks each of the individual fleeces, making sure that she knows where the speckles are. Next comes the carding to test out if her combination is correct. Here's several different samples showing how she has put all of the different combinations together and picked them from each of the available yarn colours that she has in her wall of colour here. Once we saw the initial process, we came downstairs and we chatted to decide on our yarn colours for the coming season. Chris from Donegal Yarns was laying all of the different yarn types and colours out to us available here. It's a very difficult decision, I have to tell you, because their choice is just phenomenal and the quality is superb. Once we had picked our colours, we took a quick tour of the mill with Pádraig. We're taking a look here at all of the different qualities of fleece, everything from a rougher yarn right through to cashmere and merino. Here you can see all of the raw fleece being dyed different colours and being pressed out after it has been dyed and mixed up after the process is complete. Once all of this is done, it gets pulled together and mixed up into its different constituent parts so that they can create the different colours, and put into the mixing room where it is fed through the ceiling and blended together so that all of the different fleeces can be combined in the way you saw with Nora, where she tested it with her carding process. You can see here how all the different colours are blending together. Next it goes into the carding machine, and then it moves from there through the process where it's spun into the final yarn. Once the yarn has been spun and it's been wound into skeins, next step is to twist them into hanks and complete them with the wrappers and pack them up ready to be shipped out to you. We hope you enjoy our visit to the mill. Gives you a little bit of an insight into the background and how your yarns are made and where they come from.